Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you to get CarBridge on your device, no jailbreak or computer needed. So this will give you the fully working CarBridge. You can use all your apps in your car, YouTube, Instagram, Safari, Snapchat, Spotify, HBO Max, whatever you want, guys. Just watch my video till the end and you're going to learn how to get CarBridge. This is super crazy, guys, and I just can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So let's get right into the tutorial. As you can see right here, I got the fully working CarBridge. This is super cool, and I just can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So yeah, this is super awesome. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So what you want to do, guys, is go to settings if you're using an iPhone, and there are a few different options we're going to go ahead and change to make sure our device is ready for the download. So once you're in settings, guys, you just want to go ahead and scroll down. So let me just come down here, and the first thing we're going to do is go to App Store and make sure that the automatic downloads is turned on. And this should be on by default, but if for some reason you have it turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. It's very important. I don't know the reason behind it, but automatic downloads needs to be turned on. So once you've done that, guys, you're pretty much all set. So all we got to do now is come to battery and make sure that low power mode is turned off. So let me just go ahead and go back here. So I'm just going to come over to battery, and you'll know the low power mode's on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow. So just make sure low power mode's off. You're going to be all set. So once you've done this, your device should not slow down to a point where it would be not able to download the CarBridge because the low power mode is turned off. So once you have made sure that your low power mode is turned off, we're just going to go to general and make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. This should be on by default, but if for some reason you got your background app refresh turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that, you're pretty much all set. So all we got to do now is go to the browser, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where to go to download CarBridge onto your device. So the background app refresh can be on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular, doesn't matter. Just make sure it's on one of those. So let me just go to my home screen, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's super cool. So let me just come over here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So where are we going to go? Well, you want to go to your browser and go to this site. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar, type in CarBridge, and you should see it. So this site has a ton of mods for apps and games, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to type it in, and there it is. So just press the download button, and it should start to download onto your device, guys. This is super crazy. I just can't even believe it. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. This is crazy, and I just can't even believe it. So yeah, guys, super awesome. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. If the tutorial works, be sure to go ahead and share it. This is so crazy, and I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.